Today I got one bad Mustang. It's a 1969 Mach 1 428 Cobra Jet car with the 4-speed, finished in its original color combination, which you don't see too often. This is Wimbledon White over a vermilion red interior. It's got the high back buckets. She's sweet. Recently restored. Let's take a closer look. Everything's lined up nicely. The hood gaps are excellent. Those headlight buckets fit up to those fenders beautifully. The bright work around this mouth or this grill look awesome. It's not all dented up. Looks to be new, as does the chrome bumper, the grill, the badge in the grill, the chin splitter. The blackout hood treatment this car was ordered with looks phenomenal. It's painted on here just the way it was supposed to be. Sometimes folks try to get by with vinyl. This is far superior, and it looks like it was really well done. The line, the gapping, everything's really consistent, even all the way into the cowl. We got our functional hood scoop here, feeding this 428 FE. This is a date correct drivetrain in here. It's got power brakes, an upgraded aluminum radiator. However, you can get these now with a factory style end tank. If you want to drive your CobraJet on a hot day, it's kind of the only way to go. I see a lot of right detail all over the place. You know, from the stickers on the valve covers, sticker up there on that shock tower. We even have the Autolite battery topper over here tying it all together. This thing's really clean. The inspection markings on the firewall, it's fun too. Very well detailed car. Hood closes up wonderfully. We're riding on a set of 15-inch wheels wrapped in BFG radial TAs. It's a 235/60 15. We got disc brakes up front. Have this nice red Mach 1 stripe, makes that interior pop. Good looking wheel and tire out back as well. Quarter extensions fit on here wonderfully. Tail panel looks great. The deck lid sits down into these quarters wonderfully as well. Let's see what we got out back. Look at this, all clean and sanitary in here too. So we got the Elite Marti report. Let's see, this car, of the near 300,069 Mustangs, this car is one of 6 configured this way. Looks like only 2,766 were the 428 Q code, and half that number were 4-speed cars. Pretty rare vehicle. It's got the full-size spare with the jack and the lug wrench too. Seal's new. They even got the sticker placed back in here. Trunk gutter is good and clean. It's a very nice car, if you haven't been able to tell by looking at it. The video is not fooling you. She's slick. Laser straight down the side of this car. Gaps are consistent from top to bottom. Dual sport mirror car. Let's check out the interior. All right, doors open up wonderfully. Door edges are crisp. Have the door tag present. Rubbers all look new. The felts look new. Door cards, no disappointments. Those look fresh out the catalog as well, as do these nice seat covers. Some nice thick, high quality floor mats in here with the proper red Mach 1 kick pads up underneath it. So this nice 3-spoke rim blow wheel frames the factory instruments, and this one was equipped with the tachometer, which is rarer than you might guess. We have our hands on a lot of these cars, and maybe 1 out of every 10 has a tach in it. 17,000 miles on the clock. Moving on over, we've got the original Philco AM radio. We have the factory heater controls below that. We've got a Hurst shifter in here, but I like they've kept the factory shift knob on it. Good bit of wood grain like the Mach 1 should have. Deluxe seat belts, looking mighty nice. Over here in our passenger well, we've got a analog clock, a glove box door there. The dash pad looks to be new as well, free of cracks. And our center console finish shut off, all clean, looks good in there. Let's check out the back. Matching floor mats, more deluxe belts for everybody. Inner cards look great, all the fasteners are present, interior lamps are working, sail panels are tight, that's what you want them to look like. The molding around the rear glass, very nice. Headliner looks to be brand new, visors look new. This is a really nice car. out of the shop here, going for a little evening cruise. This car is very smooth. Clutch feels good, gearbox feels great. Got an AM radio here.
And say unto them, when I bring the sword upon a land, if the people of the land take a man of their coasts.
There we go. Speedo working, tach working, fuel gauge working, and coolant is warming up here. All right. I love the whine these transmissions make on diesel. All right, those power brakes feel awesome. It's stopping this car evenly. We'll get going again here. This thing's a ripper. Well, some are just real happy to get up and go. This is that. Well, rolling down the road, it stays straight. You can take your hand off the wheel and not worry about it. This car gets it, man. If you want to see close-ups of the Marti report, close-ups around this car, inside this car, pictures up underneath it, be sure to check out the link in the description of this video. That link will take you over to the full listing on our website. We put out 100+ pictures of all our rides along with these video presentations. While you're down there clicking around looking for that link, feel free to hit the like button and the red subscribe. That will get our videos in front of you, our latest arrivals in front of you if you've been looking for your dream ride. We'll see you guys next time. Appreciate you for listening and watching.